In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snap Camera with Google Meet. And this will take about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll be able to add a fun twist to your meetings. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Meet. You can easily access Google Meet through its website, which is the starting point for our process today. Once you're on the Google Meet landing page, keep your eyes peeled for the waffle icon. If you're not familiar, this is the little square grid usually found at the top right corner of your Google page. It's a gateway to all Google services and is going to help us in locating the necessary resources. Click on that waffle icon and you'll see a drop-down menu appear highlighting various Google services. From this menu, we want to navigate to the Chrome Web Store, which is another click away. The Chrome Web Store is like a marketplace for apps, extensions, and themes designed to enrich your browsing experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, it's time to search for Snap Camera. Simply type Snap Camera into the search bar at the top of the page. Snap Camera is an application developed by Snap Inc., the same company behind Snapchat. It's a great tool for adding various filters and effects to your camera feed, making your video calls more engaging and fun. After hitting search, your results page should display various options related to Snap Camera. Here, locate and click on Snapchat Camera for Chrome. This is the specific extension that we'll be using to integrate Snap Camera with Google Meet. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a detailed page about the extension where you can learn more about its features, read user reviews, and see any additional permissions it might require. Now that you've arrived on the extensions page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button prominently displayed. By clicking this button, you're initiating the installation process. The extension will integrate with your Chrome browser, allowing Snap Camera to be used during your Google Meet sessions. With the Snap Camera extension successfully added, you're now equipped to use it the next time you're in a Google Meet call. Simply start or join a meeting as you normally would, and you can access a variety of fun filters and lenses directly from the Snap Camera interface. So there you have it. In just a few minutes, we've navigated through setting up Snap Camera for a more lively and interactive Google Meet experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy using your new filters and don't forget to have fun with it. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.